Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Steam gift code on your Steam account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to first redeem your Steam wallet code on your computer, first log into your Steam account like this. I have already logged into the Steam app on my computer over here, and after logging into your Steam account on the computer on the Steam app, the interface will be similar to this, where you can see the menu on the top left corner of your screen. There is the Steam, View, Friends, Games and Help option available at the top of the screen, and when you hover or click on Games, there is the redeem a Steam wallet code option available over here. Click on redeem a Steam wallet code, and after that you will be required to enter your Steam wallet code over here. If you have the card or the Steam gift card, then the code will be available at the back side of your card, covered with some kind of ink. You will be first required to scratch that, and the number will be available to you. Then enter your number over here, the Steam wallet code over here, click on continue, and on the next step you will be required to enter the mailing address of yourself. And after entering your mailing address, the balance will be added on over here, where there is my 00 balance. And there guys, this is how you redeem a Steam wallet code on Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.